Hi there. I just wanted to do a quick video on my new Remington 666 portable typewriter that I picked up on eBay. Even though it says Remington on it, it's a rebranded brother JP1. And I was actually inspired to do this video because of a video I just saw that Joe Van Cleve posted about a Signature 300 typewriter. It's also a brother model JP1. But I think ours are different years. But when I saw his, he was curious about the way the case was put together and the way it was supposed to be used, because it had feet on them. Well, it didn't have feet on it, but just because of the way it opened, it was kind of strange. Mine has feet on this side. It's got 4 little feet. The feet are actually screws with washers on them. And it has feet on this side too. So it's obviously supposed to stand up when you're storing it. When I got mine, it was really, really dusty on this top edge. So I figured that it had been stored for a long time like that. But Joe, yours had 2 latches here. Mine just has 1. I haven't got nearly as shiny as you've got in yours. But if I lay it down here and open it up, turn the camera down a little bit. Too much. There we go. Open it up. You can see that the screws are actually holding these corner blocks, which are very slick. And let's see, right there. Yeah, you can see it better. Cameras. That's good enough. Yeah, these 4 little corner blocks support the typewriter, and it doesn't actually hit the bottom of the case when it's on those. Each one is kind of shaped to fit that part of the typewriter. You put it up like that, and it fits in there. And I actually just typed a whole bunch on this thing with it in the case. The carriage moves back and forth as far as you want it to, and you don't have any problem with it hitting the sides of the case. So I think it was intended for you to be able to do it like that. To just pop the case open, use it on your desk, and close it back up when you're done. And the typewriter is secured in that spot and won't bang around. So anywho, I just wanted to show you that. I enjoyed your video a lot. I enjoy the stuff that you post, and I just wanted to share that with you. So take care. Thanks. Bye-bye.